hours later.
Lazy day, fluffy slipper kind of day. Okay, so this is the second time I wore these shoes and I got them muddy again. And I got them muddy first time. These shoes are jinxed. Alright, you guys, so now I am back home. I am all changed. It was actually very cold and my outfit was so ill planned. I had a really cute outfit. It was a kimono and this strappy mint bodysuit and some high-waist skinny jeans. But Mother Nature had other plans. Totally ruined it. Couldn't even wear the strappy sandals that went with it. Wound up wearing tennis shoes with that same outfit. But I put this black sweater over it. That was like not cute, but it was in the car. It was just something that I had. That ruined my outfit, but it worked. It was practical. My makeup is also virtually non-existent at this point. But it has been a very eventful weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's kind of a little bit all over the place. Not too eventful. I hope you guys tune in next time for the next vlog. I'm sure there'll be plenty of things to see. Hopefully you guys will stay tuned for the next vlog, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench while I'm coming off the court fully drenched. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched.